Seguimos en esta cobertura especial de Capital 21. Llevamos hasta usted todos los pormenores de la reunión del C40. We're very happy, pleased to talk with Mr. Gregor Robertson, who is mayor in Vancouver. Sir, welcome to Mexico City. Thank you very much for talking with us.
Gracias. Thank you.
And we have a great relationship. North America is Canada, the United States, and Mexico, and also in terms of efforts, isn't it?
Definitely a very important relationship between Canada and Mexico for generations now, and I think it will be even more important with President Donald Trump now. I think Canada and Mexico will have to work even closer together, and that's an important relationship. We have lots of people coming and going from Vancouver, from Mexico. Lots of Vancouverites travel to Mexico. I've been many times in Mexico and love the country, love the city here too.
Of course, this year is very important in this relationship, especially in tourism. Without the visa any longer, this would become Mexicans love Canada, and well, it's easier nowadays to visit, especially Vancouver.
Yeah, that's a big benefit. I think for both countries, it's creating more opportunities for us to exchange culture, to travel, for tourism, or for business. And I think there's a lot more business activity between Canada and Mexico. That's an important part of our future.
I'm sure. Mayor, well, your participation in this summit, which is the message you bring from Vancouver to your colleagues, and which is the contribution Vancouver wants to give the C40 summit?
Vancouver is, as a part of C40, is definitely on the more aggressive end. We are focused on being the greenest city in the world by 2020. We have a strategy to be 100% renewable energy by 2050. And we're very focused on our goal to be livable, but have a very prosperous economy, and have these very aggressive goals on environment and climate. That's part of who we are. We have a beautiful city. We want to keep it beautiful, and we want to make sure that we can grow and prosper at the same time that we keep our city a fantastic place to live.
Well, that's a big effort, a great effort. In terms of politicians, in terms of industry, in terms of citizenship, which are the changes that means?
Well, it means changes in terms of our activity. As a city, we have been traditionally more resource-based. In recent decades, we've shifted to more technology, innovation. Tourism is an important industry. We're growing very fast. People from all over the world moving to Vancouver, many from Asia. So we're a very multicultural city. That means we have to all work together to make these changes, to make good choices like less car use, switching to electric vehicles, reducing the amount of energy we use in our homes and our buildings, being much more efficient and much more careful with our climate and environment. So I think in Vancouver that's part of our identity. We take this seriously. And the changes are not that radical. You know, they're important, smart choices that we make. The city's goal is to really support that. Good choices, so we have good public transit. We have easy to ride a bicycle or walk. We make sure the buildings that are built are healthy and efficient buildings with energy. And you know, we have good support from people, which is important. It has to be embraced by the people to make that change.
And with neighbors, it's much better, and especially we also learned from you. Mayor, thank you very much for talking with Capital 21. Welcome to Mexico City.
Thank you. Muchas gracias.